Welcome to online classes of biology practical. So children, we are going to study the first experiment. That is, the aim of the experiment is to study the pollen germination on a slide. Okay, so we have to study how pollen germination occurs on a slide. Okay, so you know where pollen germination occurs usually in the stigma, isn't it? When after pollination, the pollen grain germinates on the stigma. But here we are going to study it on a slide. So for that, we need different materials. Materials required are pollen grains from different flowers, then glass slides, cavity slides. Okay, glass slides or cavity slides, any one you can. Then brush, needle, cover slip, beaker, dropper. Then we have to make a solution that is containing sucrose 10 gram, boric acid 10 milligram, potassium nitrate 10 milligram, magnesium sulfate 20 milligram and distilled water. So this is actually the nutrient solution. Instead of that, we can simply use the sugar solution also. So we are doing with the sugar solution. Okay. So the materials, that is sugar solution. Then we have taken flowers, Vinca rosea flower and hibiscus flower we have taken in a petri dish. Then we are having brush, needle, forceps. Okay. Then we are having cover slips, slides. Okay. Then blotting papers. And then we need a microscope. So all this we are having as materials required. Now we have to take the solution. Okay, solution with the help of a dropper and put in the cavity slide. You can see a cavity and into the cavity you can put the solution. Otherwise simple slide also you can take. Now you have to take the flower. Okay, flower you have to take and with the help of brush. Okay, with the help of a brush you just tap, or simply you can take the pollen grains on the tip of the brush or on the brush and then you can dust. Okay, dust to the solution which is already present, or you can just put it into the solution. Okay, so while taking the flower you have to be careful that the flower is already matured. Okay, otherwise what will happen, you will not get the pollen grains. Enough pollen grains won't be there if the flower is not matured. Okay, so young flowers, you can see the pollen grains are falling on that. Okay, so always try to take the matured flower. Understood? Then with the help of a needle slowly you put the cover slip. Okay, cover slip should be put so that no air bubble will be entered. Now the slide is ready for watching under the microscope. Adjust the microscope, okay, and watch under the watch through the eyepiece. Okay, so when you see, you can see pollen grains. These are actually the pollen grains of Vinca rosea. You can see many are there. Okay, after some time you can see pollen grains are showing what germination. Okay, some of them every time you may not get. So here you can see the pollen grains are germinated. Okay, pollen tubes are coming out. Okay, you can see in different pollen grains. Okay, so this is the experiment. So what you are observing, pollen tubes are coming out from the pollen grains. So what is the conclusion? You can observe the pollen grains germinate in the nutrient medium, isn't it? So the nutrient medium induces the growth and the rate of germination also will be different. In some it will germinate fast and in some germinate slowly. So what are the precautions? You have to use clean and dry slides, okay, to observe the pollen grains. Flower should be freshly plucked and it should be matured also. The pollen grain from one species should not mix with other pollens. Okay, then nutrient solution should not overflow. So for that only we have used what? The blotting papers. We can use the blotting papers to wipe the extra fluid. Okay, then while dusting the pollen on the stigma, care should be taken that only few pollen should be dusted. Otherwise it will be overcrowded and it will be difficult to observe. So this is the first experiment. Hope you understood it well. So we'll write this experiment afterwards only. So you please go through the video today itself. Okay, so I'll tell you when you will have to write this. Thank you.